Now, many bills were not even given to us. Normal law is, rule of the business house, business rules is that you have to submit the bill for circulation 48 hours before it is introduced. म्हणजे इंट्रोड्यूस करते पहिले 48 वरां पहिले आमकां बिल सर्क्युलेट करपाक जाय, सो दॅट वी कॅन अंडरस्टँड द बिल्स, वी कॅन स्टडी द बिल, वी कॅन टेक पार्ट इन द डिस्कशन. 29 तारखेक हाऊस वॉज एडजर्न at 4:28 AM सकाळ फुडें, आणि सकाळची 3:00, 3:30, 4:00 कितलीशी बिलां त्या दिसा सर्क्युलेट केल्या, विच वर टू बी डेलिब्रेटेड इन द इव्हिनिंग. सो 4:30 वरांचेर असेंब्ली काबार जावन आमदार घरा गेल्या, परते 11 म्हटल्यार परते पावल्या. बिल स्टडी करप, बिल पळोवप, बिलाची क्लॉजीस पळोवप, आणि देर वर मेनी इम्पॉर्टंट बिल, देर नॉट वन बिल. There are Panchayat amendment bills which permits putting RCC slabs on the roofs. There is a Bhumiputra bill. There is a Cooperative Societies Amendment Bill. Where lots of changes have been made in the main Cooperative Societies Act. There has been IPB, that Investment Promotion Board Amendment Bill. So these are some of the Mining Corporation Bill. These are some of the important bills which were to be discussed on 30th. So in the morning, when we got these bills, when we saw these bills, there were 13 bills listed on 30th July. That is on the last day of the assembly. 13 bills were listed. 9 bills were approved on 29. Of course, these bills were not of much importance. They were normally removing the Goa Daman and Diu, that Daman and Diu removed has been amended to make it Goa centric. But on 30th, there were 13 bills, out of which 6-7 bills were very, very important bills. Now, we requested, we met the speaker in the foyer. We had a meeting with the speaker, chief minister, and the leaders of all the political parties, and we suggested that these bills should be referred to the select committee. You refer these bills to the select committee. Let us discuss in the next 15 days. We discuss all these bills in the select committee, and you call one-day session after that exclusively to deliberate on these bills and take a decision. Speaker said we will see in the assembly. They did not give us any commitment, and hence in the assembly, after our calling attention motion got over, we demanded from the speaker that you please give us a ruling on our demand, which we had made for putting up the bills to the select committee. The house was adjourned. We went to the well. Second time we went to the well, he refused to give us a ruling, and he called all the marshals, and then we walked out in protest. We said this is injustice. 13 bills cannot be bulldozed in one day without giving us an opportunity to discuss. We had no time even to discuss and study these bills. These are important bills. If you go through the bills, you yourself will realize what is the language, how many clauses are there, how many amendments are there in these bills. Now, we believe that some of the bills which have been passed are basically political stunts, keeping in before their eyes the coming elections in 2020.
More than 8,000 applications were received, charging a fee of 10,000 rupees per person, which means they collected over 8 crores for this. And today's one of the newspapers is showing the statistics of how many have been regularized. That means you have looted the common man in the hope that they will get something. Today the Bhumiputra law again will require you pay probably this 10,000. All people will be hopeful, and finally this law will be quashed or struck down.
सांगून दिवचो कायदो आसा की कोणाच्या फायद्याक हे भूमिपुत्र बिल तुम्ही हाडला, आणि हे जे लेजिस्लेशन आसा ताका काही लीगल हर्डल्स आसा. तुमकां खबर आसा बरे भाशेन की ह्या बिलाचो उपयोग लोकांक जावचो ना, पूण फक्त आनी एक जुमला लोकांक इलेक्शनाचे पयलीं फटोवपाक आणि लोकांची मतां विकती. हाचे पयलीं अशेंच 372A 2001-2002 इलेक्शना पयलीं amendment of 372A of the Comunidad Code 1961. ताचे मागीर गोवा रेग्युलरायझेशन ऑफ अनऑथराइज्ड कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स ऍक्ट 2016 हाडलो 2017च्या इलेक्शनाक आणि आता भूमिपुत्र ऍक्ट 2022च्या इलेक्शनाक. या पयलीं अमेंडमेंट पळय केला त्या बिलाचो कोणाक फायदो जाला काय कितें, कितल्या लोकांक हाचो फायदो जाला ते बीजेपीन लोकांक सांगून दिवपाचो कायदो आसा. आणि हे बिल हाडचे पयलीं तुम्ही एक सर्वे केला कितली इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन गोंयांत आसा, कितली इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन गोंयांत आसा आणि कितली इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शनाचो फायदो ह्या बिलाचो लोकांक जातलो खंयच्या खंयच्या वाठारांनी. विदाउट डुईंग एनी बॅकग्राऊंड स्टडी, विदाउट डुईंग एनी प्रपोजल and circulating it among the people, or at least between the legislatures of the house, the government is bulldozing legislations which seem to be with some hidden agenda.
भारतीय जनता पार्टीन गोंयचेर जो जो हल्लो केला आमी ताका डेकॉयटी म्हणटात. भारतीय जनता पक्षान गोंयचेर डेकॉयटी केल्या आनी त्यो मिडनायट डेकॉयटी जाल्या सदांच. ते मगो पक्षाचे 2 आमदार व्हेल्यात तेही मिडनायट आणि ती नंतर तेजे नंतर मर्जरही मिडनायट. गोवा प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटीचे 10 आमदार व्हेले तेही बी मिडनायट आणि मिडनायटाक स्पीकर उठता आणि थंय मर्जर डिक्लेअर करता. हांकां लोकांकडे डिस्कस करून लोकांचे फीडबॅक घेवन लोकां मुखार हेंचे कडेन डेकॉयटी घालपाक जायना, कारण हे करतात ती फटींगपणां करतात. जो शुद्ध हेतून करता तो दिसाचे करता, लोकां मुखार करता. ज्याचो हेतू वाईट असता तो लिपोवन करता, डिस्कशन करनासतना करता, चोरयान करता आणि हो डकैतीचे आयज घातल्यात ह्या द गोवा भूमिपुत्र अधिकार बिल 2021 हाडून.